I was losing hair every time I showered until I started using this shampoo. Hi guys, I'm Neha and I post beauty related content on YouTube. It has been a long time I'm posting and I think I need more audience in my channel. So if you're watching this video, please stick around and it will definitely motivate me to bring around some more content like this. And this particular product today, which is Wish Care's multi-peptide anti-hair fall shampoo. I bought this product with my own money from Nykaa and I'm gonna share my honest review with you all. Sure, you all are very well aware about this brand Wish Care. I have used only two products till now from this brand. So one is this lip balm, which is a multi-peptide tinted lip balm, which performs so-so. And I'm gonna talk about this particular product, which is my second purchase from this entire brand. This is a 250 ml bottle, which retails for 499. Yes, 500 rupees की ये पूरी bottle है. That is just 250 ml. And I'm not saying anything right now because I have to talk more. I want to say kudos to the packaging. I really like this sturdy packaging. However, according to me, pump थोड़ा ज़्यादा tight है. And when you are in the shower, you want some smooth packaging, you know. Your hands are already slippery and आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ताकत लगानी पड़ती है इस pump के लिए. Other than that, I feel this particular packaging is amazing. The pump quality is way too good that it's not smooth. Although this is a plastic packaging, I think this is a recyclable plastic. The most exciting part, which is describing the ingredients. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ingredients actually इन्होंने लिखे हुए हैं. So it has some active ingredients such as rosemary, caffeine, also rice water. मैंने याद नहीं करके रखा है, ठीक है, मुझे पढ़ना पड़ेगा इसमें से. Rice water, hyaluronic acid, ginseng and Capilia longa, and it does not have any sulfate and paraben, so this is paraben free. One thing which I feel like should be in the ingredients part, यहाँ पे जितने भी ingredients mention है, जैसे कि lactic acid है, इसमें aqua है, glycerin, then मैं ये सब चीजें ना कहीं बीच बीच में इन्होंने घुसा के रखे हैं. कोई अगर active ingredients होते तो उससे पहले होता है. This is what the rule says, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it has a lot of other ingredients as well which are not highlighted, but the highlighted one is hyaluronic acid, peptides and all. It does have a lot of peptides. I can read that in the ingredients. Not have any mineral oil. Also, I must say that caffeine is something which stimulates your hair growth, regulates our follicles, and it promotes the hair growth. Now, coming towards the rice water, it gives our hair a little bit of strength. So this is what my research tells about. What the texture is really thick, silky and smooth. I really like the entire concept. अगर आप लोगों ने Sunsilk का शैम्पू कभी यूज किया है पिंक वाला, the texture is, it looks like the same, but Wish Care का texture थोड़ा सा thick है compared to the Sunsilk one. Since this shampoo don't have any sulfate or paraben, the one question that arises in my mind as well as in your mind is, does it lather well or does it foam? So I will say that it lathers well. Also, it does foam, but the only problem with this is that you have to apply a lot of it. I personally don't like to apply a lot of product, apply that much product. आपको 2-3 बार अपना hair wash करना पड़ेगा. Coming towards my experience, so I'll say that my hairs were long. If you have watched any of my previous video, मेरे बाल इतने लंबे हुआ करते थे and I was actually facing lots of severe hair fall. So I decided to chop my hair down and to see if something is working. I've been using this shampoo for a month now and I will say कि मैं इसको हर तीसरे दिन अपने बालों पे अप्लाई करती हूँ. आई थिंक ऑलरेडी ये बॉटल हाफ हो चुकी है. सो आई से कि कैसा ये काम करता है. सो आई यूज्ड इट विद एंड विदाउट मास्क बोथ. सो आई से पहले जब मैंने यूज किया था इसको मैंने विदाउट मास्क यूज किया था एंड आई टेल यू कि मेरे बाल बहुत ज्यादा ही झड़ रहे थे. मुझे इनिशियली ऐसा लगा था कि मैंने बहुत गंदा और बेकार अपना डिसीजन लिया है ये शैम्पू खरीद के. एंड देन लेटर आई रियलाइज्ड when I paired it up with my hair mask, I felt that it is good. The moment I applied the hair mask before my hair wash, I would say my hairs became so smooth. Apply the shampoo and conditioner as well. Yes, I have to pair it with another conditioner. So I'm currently using 3 products all together to get this shiny and amazing hair. And I'll be honest, when I apply the hair mask, my hair performs good. It looks fine, but without a hair mask, I cannot see my hair because it is pathetic without hair mask. So if I am spending $500 on a shampoo, I would expect more. So it does help with your hair growth. I'm not saying that it does not, but it's a lengthy, long process which I don't have the guts and the time to wait for. Because that, I'm gonna also tell you one more thing. When it dries, my hair texture is smooth only when I'm using the mask. I personally don't get so much time on a daily basis to apply mask, then wait and then apply conditioner as well and to blow dry my hair. So I feel it's a long, lengthy, time consuming process. Now I'm gonna boil down everything in my pros and cons. Pros: ingredients: it's sulfate free, paraben free, it lathers well, it cleans your scalp, not irritate your nose. Now coming towards the cons, it might be too drying for your curly or dry hairs. A long time to work on. Shampoo does not work on its own. Not a worthy product. At 500, I'm also adding my mask, my conditioner. So it adds up and actually give me the cost of a great professional shampoo. Why would I use this shampoo if I have to spend that much, right? So this is all my honest review about the product, and honestly I have been watching lots and lots of reviews about this product, and I think everyone has given their honest thing, and this is my honest thing. I don't think that the shampoo works on its own. You need to have something. This is not a bad product, but this is not a superb or wow product. There are more better product than this in the market. So that's my final and honest review. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below and like this video and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.